Me and my blue shirt are back. Okay, I said recently in my unpopular makeup opinions tag that like I'm not a big fan of lipstick and lip products and whatnot, but I have some. 9 lipsticks with the exception of one of them I don't count as a lipstick, but I'm still gonna show you. 8 lipsticks that are like my favorita, and these are bullet lipsticks, so I have shit I like in other categories, but this is my, what I would call my top shelf lipstick collection. And I'll swatch them on the back of my paw. And I'll get rid of these swatches. Okay, let's get started. First off, let's start with the, I don't consider this a lipstick. So this is by Bite Beauty. I found this on a whim, and I think it's exciting. This is the shade Opal. I don't know if they make this anymore. I am sorry for, you know, whatever. But this, I've used this before as a cream highlighter. And I like it like that. Look at that. Shucky ducky quack quack. Why can't? Nextly, I have like these 3 higher end lipsticks. The first of which is a Dior lipstick. This is called Double Rouge, I believe. But it's got, I need to wipe some of it off. It's got a circle inside of the lipstick. I don't know if you can tell, like this has got like a nudie color with like a coral on the outside. Where did I start my lipstick swatches? But when you mix it together, it's pretty. So pretty. And it says Dior on it. Ooh, shaka shaka shaka. The inside's red. The only thing it's not, like, this snaps together and it was too expensive for it to not be magnetic. So, I'm a little offended. I have 2 red lipsticks. Because I love color on my lips. Now both of these, I'm excited to say, are magnetic. Because Estee Lauder don't play. This is one of the Pure Color Envy High Luster lipsticks in 321. 321. 321, go. And the reason why I have 2 red lipsticks, look at this. Oh my god. Honey. This is more of a very sheer, high shine, like the package says. Lipstick, I need to zoom out because I'm feeling a little insecure. Just kidding. But these 2 reds are totally different, and I see them like in 2 different ways. So like there's one like barely swipe, and you see how there's like not a lot going on. This is like a very, I don't know, I don't want to say neutral red, but it's not super orangey, it's not super blue. But it's very wearable because it's got a very sheer factor to it. And so that's Nectarine by Estee Lauder. The second one, this is NARS Rita in its special all red packaging. Again, magnetic brownie points. Dishing out the brownie points. This is one of their audacious lipsticks, and this is what I say when I say fucking red lipstick. This is a fucking red lipstick. I need to either sit up or zoom in. I guess I'm just feeling super casual, so I'm leaning back. I'm like, I might as well zoom in. But yeah, it says NARS on the front. I can do it. It's super red. Okay. This is one swipe. Bye-ying. So there's NARS Rita. So you can see like this has got like that fruit punch vibe to it. And this is a real fucking red lipstick. It's a very blue red. And it is everything. I have 3 MAC lipsticks. Let's start off with my fucking favorite. This doesn't exist anymore, and I'm pretty sad about it. This is from the Work It Out collection, the like summer workout collection, maybe last year. And I should probably get rid of this, but I won't. I've had some other lipsticks that like this past year and like decluttering and whatnot. So how short this is. You can tell they're bad, they smell bad, they look bad, they doesn't look like anything you'd want to put on your lips. This has not got to that point yet, thank baby Jesus. This is one of the Luster lipsticks. There's all kind of different formulas that Max makes, and I kind of ran into that other one, C'est La Vie. But it's a very sheer nude lipstick. Like it just gives your lips like a, I'm healthy, I feel good, I feel great, I look great, la 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 la. This is Nicki's Nude. This is one of Nicki Minaj's pink ass lipsticks. And the reason why I love this so much is that I will do this as like a cream blush. I do wear it as lipstick as well, but cream blush into hizzy is where it is-y. Obviously I shouldn't have to tell you what's what, right? Lastly, in my little 3 MAC lipsticks, this is not the last one, sit down. This is a retro matte. This is called Runway Hit. It's pink. It's pink in a classy ass way. This I'll just like barely tap onto and then blend with my finger. Okay, I have 2 more. This is by Sephora. It's one of the lip stories. It's called Tan Lines, and it's super fucking cheap packaging. It's plasticky ass. I don't know. This is like cool tone nude. I'm gonna go over here. Let me see the difference in all theirs. It's like these colors are like all the fucking same almost. Anyway, I like that one. I think those are like $8, those fucking lipsticks. And then lastly is the one that just does not fit in with anything on my hand. This is by Melt. This is Mural. This is like pumpkin spice everything. I don't know what it is about this color. Freaking amazing. I love this color. I freaking love this color. See, it's this down here. It's this like weird ass orange color that doesn't make sense with anything else I own. I love it so much. I love it so much. Alright, top shelf lipstick collection. The ones that I think are worth my time. Ooh, you know what? I forgot the granddaddy of them all. There is one that sits in front. I'll show you. This right here. Let's talk about this. This is the Top Daddy MAC lipstick. It doesn't live in a drawer because he was expensive. See them initials? Those initials stand for freaking expensive. And it doesn't magnetically close. What the fluff? What? I could have bought 2 MAC lipsticks and a Sephora lipstick for the price of this. Do that math. Don't do that math. So this is the Ultra Shine Lip Color in 01 Bear. You know what? That's the same as my by Terry liquid lipstick. This is like the perfect cool tone nude. Where am I gonna go? Yes, honey, yes, right on my wrist. It's this. Yes. This is so amazing. This is like the more pigmented version of my MAC masculinity. I love you. Those are my top shelf favorite lipsticks. Yay, lipstick. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already, which I know you have not. Just kidding. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.